of the common myths about metal roofing is that it's noisy when it rains, and I want to dispel that myth today. As you can see and hear behind me, it's raining pretty good. Now let's go inside and have a listen. As you can hear or not hear, it's pretty quiet in here. The noise that we are hearing from the rain is through the windows, but not coming through the roof. So we do have an upstairs. So upstairs it's a little closer to the rain. So let's go up there and have a listen as well. So even upstairs where we're closer to the rain, it's quiet up here as well. And the reason being, on a residential house, you have a lot of building materials that deaden the sound of rain. So we have the roof, then we have the roof deck, and we have insulation, and the interior drywall for the ceiling. All those building materials help deaden the sound of rain. So whether you have a shingle roof or a metal roof, the sound is the same. So hopefully we dispelled the myth today that metal roofs are noisy in the rain.